Alright, hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. You can see my knee, but you can't see me. I just had nothing, no videos to make, so, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Yeah, so basically, you just need to, I like to fold my paper to make my paper a bit smaller. You don't have to, but you fold in the corners, like that. Then, after you fold it in both sides, you have to, like, go like that. So, and then you fold down sides. All it is basically origami, because it's just paper folding. It's just the art of paper folding. So, and yeah, that's how you make a paper airplane. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, let me know if you made one.